Oh, hey, y'all. Hey, welcome to the new Sunrise Studio. Today, Was that? Oh, where the hell have I been? Yeah, okay, fair question. When last seen, I was in the Sunset Studio and I was blissfully cutting Technicolor fabric and I was promising you a garment reveal. And I've come to learn that promises are really just a gamble, because that was 2.5 years ago. Here is where I should say, with great emotion, I would love to give you an explanation, but I can't. But I can't say that because I would not love to give you an explanation, because I would not love to spread my own personal drama into y'all's lives. You know what I'm saying? I would not like to spread drama. I would not like to spread chaos. I would not like to trauma dump all over this here video and into your homes. Because isn't the world just one big trauma dump right now? Do you really need another load of it from me? Because every time I was ready to come back to the channel, another 40 loads got dropped on the front doorstep, hindering me from actually coming back because the weight of the loads was just like sitting on my neck. I don't want to put those loads on your neck. So permit me to put the mic down and calm down and save you from all of that drama. I would like to say a heartfelt thank you and a sincere apology for the many broken promises of coming back to the channel. I'm here now. I'm ready to play with y'all, and I'm ready to spread some Technicolor joy. Let's get to it drama-free. Let's start with the elephant in the room, my gigantic cutting table. This thing is large enough to fit a whole person underneath. Hello?
Hello.
Hi, babe.
Hi.
What are you doing under there?
I'm hiding from the drama.
Oh no, babe, the dramatic talk is over.
Is it over? You sure?
I'm positive.
Oh, super duper.
That's Rob.
That's Marcy.
And we are still very much the Handmade Harriells. Yeah, that's not what the drama's about. Come on up here, babe.
Oh, okay.
Come on. This is my usual DIY press board, supersized, set on top of 9 cube bookshelves. There's a 3-centered cube in the center for support, and to keep the tabletop anchored, I've placed silicone trivets on top of the shelves. And each cubby has a box, a matching box with all of my different tools and sewing notions and trims, because sometimes I like to match.
You never like to match.
Sometimes I like to match.
Okay.
All of my boxes match.
The question.
Yeah.
So how do you know what's where?
What do you mean? Like what's in the box?
They're all the same.
I just remember what's in every box.
Okay, so what's in this box?
Which box?
This one right here. 2 down, far left. This one right here.
That one is sewing machine tools.
Sewing machine tools, that's a very general
It's sewing machine tools. Bring it up and let's see.
And
What's in it?
thread.
That's tape measures.
Tape measures.
And also thread.
Thread. Those are tape measures? That's thread.
Those are little tape measures you put in your pocket and in your purse and to have them around. And yes, there's also there's thread in there.
Strike
all right,
one.
So fine.
This should be an easy one. Top center.
Top center?
Mm-hmm. Top center.
Top center.
Top center. Wait. Top center.
Top center has oh shoot. It has
This looks like more tools. Oh, some kind of
That's my dangerous box.
pizza cutter.
That's a
danger
rotary
box.
That's danger
you
box.
should know where danger box is.
Be very careful. There's lots of sharp things in there.
Babe.
It's like all scissors.
Oh my God. Oh, they only go in one way too. So
Yeah, be careful.
Right. Okay, your last.
I'm ready.
Bottom right. This one down here.
That is definitely tools, like little hammers, little wrenches, little like gaffer's tape there's in there, and things like that. Come on. No, that's not.
There's no gaffer's tape. There's no hammer. There is a staple gun.
Tools.
Tools is too general. Two staple guns.
Oh,
I
I might
can't
have
even
stolen
talk.
one of your staple guns.
I think you did. There's no hammer. There's no gaffer's tape. I think you lose. You should have labeled them. You should have made them different colors. Something. Oh, I did this one backwards.
Get out. Get out. You're dropping Danger Box.
Fine.
Didn't I just say there's no
I'm
drama?
trying to fix your life.
Didn't I say there's no drama in the sewing room?
There's no drama.
There's no drama in the sunrise to get out. Get out. I need to look at some fabric.
I think I need to make a cocktail.
Did I tell you to get out? So much more tranquil. This view never fails to make me smile. This is my glorious wall of fabric. I have never had all of my fabric in one place in full sight. After a lot of expensive furniture searching, I realized I could organize my stash on the cheap with the same cubby bookshelves I used to create my cutting table. At this point, I could just charge an assembly fee for building these cubbies for people with an aversion to those little cheapo L wrenches that you get with these here jammies. They were not quite high end for me enough, so I added little itty bitty legs to the bottom. If you do this, word to the wise, add a center leg on the center of each of these here bookshelves because they will sink, because they are, as I said, not the most expensive pieces of furniture. And I will link those below in case you want to do what I did here. Every available surface is filled with things that I love, because things that bring joy are as useful as the tools that we use to create joy, especially when there's a dearth of joy to be had in the world. Okay? Oh, hey, speaking of joy, who are you wearing, beautiful? I'm wearing myself because I sew. Well, I mean, I used to sew. These things are let's see, this skirt I want to say is 7 years old, and this jacket is a decade old. But you know what that proves? That proves that handmade lasts. It lasts, y'all. Let's go step into my closet and I'll show you just how much handmade lasts. Welcome to my open closet. It is not the real estate that we had in our New York Narnia closet, so I had to get a little clever with some floor-to-ceiling extension rods. I am living like Gene Kelly up in here. Points, if you can name the movie that I'm referencing. Small, but packed with color, and a dramatic curtain reveal for upcoming fit vids. At the moment, most of my fits have been made for my dress forms, and these were made several years ago because, again, my sewing output for the past 3 years has been geared 12,000% towards launching a sewing business and also just, battling the world at large. So casual sewing has suffered. But getting back to hanging with y'all, yeah, that is going to be a very good way to revive that practice. Why don't we come on over here and see where it is we're going to be sewing, or rather, what it is we're going to be sewing on. My Singer HD 44S. I love this machine. I really need to do a video on the ins and outs of this machine. I know that's akin to making a promise, so no jinxies, no crossies counts, big money, no whammies. I have saved the best for last. All these fabulous ladies you've been spying behind me are fashion drawings done by my mom. That's right. She drew these ladies in the late 1960s, and I must have absconded with them at some point because I found them in our New York apartment when I was packing things up. Just these beautiful drawings laying around. I scanned the quite battered paper originals and I had them printed on poster board. The people at Walgreens lost their minds when I came in to pick these up. Everybody started crowding around the counter and picking out their favorites.
They're all awesome.
Yes, they are.
Yes. This one.
That one's your favorite?
Yes.
She's pretty.
That's right.
Yeah.
Because her hair reminds me of you sometimes.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Just sometimes?
Sometimes.
Why just sometimes?
Look at yourself.
Is that for me?
Yes.
That's lucky for you.
That's right.
Thanks.
I love your hair.
Seriously, y'all. Thank you for sticking around and waiting on us for 2.5 years.
We missed you too.
We really did.
Very much.
We're back. We're ready to spread some Technicolor joy and some peace, and maybe share a cocktail or two.
Slurping.
Peace out, everybody.
Emphasis on peace.
Go make me another cocktail. That was a really big slurp.